Hello all, welcome back. So today I'm going to share you the recipe of rasabali. So we have taken here 700 gram of chena or cottage cheese, some powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of maida, some baking soda and 1 liter of milk. Now take all the chena in a cotton cloth and properly drain all the water from it because it strongly determines the texture of rasabali. Now as you can see that it is perfectly dehydrated. Now demold it somehow. Now add 2 tablespoons of maida. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now add a pinch of baking soda and also add some crushed cardamoms. Now our task is to simply mix it well. Mix all the chena, maida and sugar properly. So you have to keep on mixing it until it gets a fine texture. And how will you know that it's fine textured? The mixture will not be sticking to your hand anymore. And it's ready. Now just roll the mixture like this and kill them into small pieces. Take each piece in your hand, roll it and shape it like small circle. Now make a small cute and little hole inside it. You can or cannot make holes in them, it's just your choice. Now it's shaped and ready to take bath in oil. Take a kadhai, preheat the oil in it. Now fry these balls in medium flame. You can shape the balls more bigger or more thicker according to how you will like it. Now turn them upside down and you have to keep on frying them until it gets golden brown. See, it totally depends upon you to fry them more or fry them less. If you want them more crispy and more brown and dark, fry them a bit more. It's almost ready. And yes, it's ready. So our balls are perfectly ready. They're fine, crispy and golden brown. Now take a pan, heat it and add all the milk to it. Let it come to a boil and place it in medium flame. Now again add some crushed cardamoms. And I have again added here 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now take the balls and add it to the milk. Keep it in medium flame. I have over fried one of it. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Now that's it. Try to immerse it down completely. Now this thing depends upon you about how you want your milk syrup to be. You may want it thick or you may not want, so that you can take the taste of the milk properly. So if you want it to be thick, keep on boiling it. You will see the syrup will tighten and after that it will be ready. If you want to taste the syrup thin, just boil it for some times and it will be ready. And one more thing you have to keep in your mind is you don't have to disturb the balls so much. Just turn them once and don't try to turn them more or else they will break. And that's it. It is ready. I have made the syrup thick and it was much spongy. So don't forget to like it and comment it and tell me if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching and do share it.